Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have from Unice hair. This is a pre-plucked 13x4 frontal wig. It is in the density 150. So because it is pre-plucked, I wanted to just do an install out of the box. So I did not bleach this unit, I did not wash this unit, I did not pluck this unit. I did pluck, actually I'm lying, I did pluck just like 1 or 2 hairs right here. but I didn't do anything to this wig. Now, of course, you could go in and pluck this hairline if you want, but I didn't want to do that today. So that's what we have here. We have it in its natural state, and she is big and full and long, you guys. Stretched length, this wig is going down to about 30 inches. So she is a styled length 26 inches, and I left it in its natural state the way that it comes. And that's what the curls look like when you get it out of the package. I do want to put some products in it and maybe spray a bit of water. I want to see what the curl pattern is going to look like when it's wet. I am going to be using my favorite hair conditioner. This is the side here that has nothing in it, and this hair can get very big if you just comb through it, and I wanted you guys to see. But also when you wet it down, it does get even longer. So yeah, it is very, very long. I'm here for it. Today I'm going to be using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Leave-In Conditioner. Right? My favorite, you guys know. You guys know I love this. This is my Ride or Die conditioner for my curly wigs, and it smells so good. You know, when you don't wash the wigs in the beginning, it does have like a bit of a smell. So this wig has a bit of a smell, and when I put this conditioner in it, it's gonna take that away. So this hair feels really soft as I'm putting the conditioner in it. It's feeling even softer. And this is what the hair looks like wet. Super cute, super long. And you know what I really like about it? The frontal, like the part where it's in front, is very long. It's equally as long as pretty much everywhere else. How cute is this wig? Now for the install, we just did a little swoop-de-swoop there, and we kind of left the sideburns, you know, pretty basic. Didn't really do a whole lot to them, but that's the style that we wanted to go for today, and I think it is super cute. Comment your thoughts below. What are your thoughts on this company? Have you purchased hair from Unice Hair before? Let me know in the comment section. You guys know I really love super long hair, so this wig is definitely really long. Unfortunately today I cannot say if this is Kaviar Kez approved or not, because I have not washed it, I have not bleached the knots. So without that, I'm not gonna be able to give you guys a full answer, but just rest assured, like, I've worked with them a lot, and their hair is pretty good. Like, it's up there. I would say it's more on like the higher quality, but still affordable. It's not like the highest quality, but it's pretty decent quality. If you're looking for good hair that'll last you a long while, this is a good company to check out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.